So it is early in the morning. The time now is about 8 o'clock in the morning. So I got here. I'm in Bab Mecca. This is where the honey entrance is, like where the honey places are. It's totally different early in the morning. There's literally no one. It's me, the cats, and pigeons. Like a whole lot of pigeons. A whole bunch of them, they're everywhere. And security guards. So I'm here for one thing and one thing only. It's to see how the sesame seed oil is processed. Oh, I see why there are birds. There's like bird seeds here on the floor. So I think someone fed the birds. And they also even have like bird water. I guess it's for the birds or for the cats. So that's really nice. Oh, there's a dead pigeon on the floor. That's pretty sad. So some stores are open this early in the morning at 8 o'clock, which is really nice. Did not expect. Wait, is the oil place here? No, I think it's on the other side. All right. So, and I don't see any ladies. So I'm the only lady walking here. So let's go to the pigeons there. Here, I'll show you some more of the shops. Early in the morning in Bab Mecca. And even the vegetable stalls haven't set up yet. I think they set up maybe later on in the afternoon. Look at the pigeons. They're early risers. Okay. They're opening up shop right now. So let's go to the... Oh, look, they're flying. Just don't shit on me. That's really nice. Okay. So we saw that. Let's hope the sesame seed place is actually open, because I did tell him that I was gonna come on Saturday or Sunday. Today is Monday. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off because I need to ask him for permission again. He probably forgot. So that's a sesame seed place where it says Jeddah Bab Mecca, where they make sesame seed oil. Okay, let me turn it off. So that was a fail. He ended up making the sesame seed oil yesterday, so I missed it. Again, he did tell me to come on, he said that they were gonna make it on Saturday and that they were gonna make it on Sunday. And I told him that I was gonna come either Saturday, but I completely slept in on Saturday. It's their second day of the weekend, and the first day of their weekend is on, their first day on the week of their weekend is Friday. So they didn't have it on, I came late Friday. No, came late Thursday, so they said to come on Saturday because they were closed on Friday. So I didn't come on Saturday. I had work yesterday. I had like a meeting. So if I were to come, I would have been late, because he did say like if I were to come at 8 o'clock, then they might start at 8 and continue until, or start maybe like around 10, 11, or even 9 o'clock. So there wasn't a specific time that they were gonna start. So I just didn't want to risk being late for work. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm just gonna walk around and explore and make use of my time, because I am here. And there's no reason for me to go all the way back. So let's walk around and discover this place, right? And it's very rare for me to get this place all to myself. Here is where a lot of ladies sell their batis here. So as you can see, it says Al Balad. I can't read through the camera. Al Balad historic Jeddah. So there are a lot of ladies that come here and they sell traditional dresses, So look at it. It looks really nice, but it's all closed. They do open later on in the evening or in the afternoon, but right now it is closed. There's no one here. It's only the gentleman that's walking in front of me, and there's a gentleman walking right next to me. So here is an image of the two gentlemen walking in front of me. And here's a cat that's just chilling. Right. Good morning, kitty. Alright, you can see that one shop is open. He just turned off his lights. There is a gentleman cleaning the floors. Again, I'm truly appreciative of everyone that cleans and does hard work. Oh, it's a little dark in here. Let me brighten it up. Alright, once we get out of this tunnel, I'm gonna turn down the ISO. I think I should do that now. Oh, that's really nice. Alright. I'm gonna try to come here maybe later on, sometime next week or the week after, so I can show you the ladies who sell the dresses. Here's another section of this place. But sometimes it might be a little difficult as they don't want to be recorded or don't feel comfortable being on camera. So, and there are a lot of ladies here, so I don't know how I'm going to go around and ask for permission. So I'm gonna have to turn off the camera, ask for permission, or lower my camera, ask for permission. Okay, so the camera's a little weird in this section. Should we go here? I don't know, man. Feeling a little adventurous. Let's walk. I've never been here. I don't think I have. I don't think I've been to this section before. Nope. It's beautiful. Yeah, really beautiful. There's a gentleman walking. And again, it is an older part of Jeddah. They are doing construction or renovation in this area. There's such beautiful buildings, like absolutely beautiful. And even like, would you call these cobblestones? Like the flooring? Oh, here's a little alley. And you can see where we are. Let me brighten up the ISO. It tells you right here, Al Balad, Dabus space. That's where we are. So here is a water truck coming through. I'm gonna, fly one in my hand. It's not a water truck, so it's just a truck that carries water. Like one of those water bottles that you put on the water filling things. I don't know what they're called. Oh wow, look at this building. So literally, there's no one here. No one. Just me, myself, and I. And a security guard. I saw a security guard there. There's a car coming. I wonder if I would be able to go inside this mosque. Here's the car. There are men. I think they're either working or heading to work. I went inside this mosque a long time ago, like a few years ago. But I haven't seen it, like the last time that I came, I haven't seen it, like the doors being open. Like, look, I'm the only person here. The only one. A car is coming. And he's going pretty fast. Yeah, look at that. He's going pretty fast. That building is beautiful. This one is beautiful as well. Should we go here or there? All right, let's just go follow. Ooh, what did you get? Kitty, what do you have? A snake? I hear someone walking. Yeah, there's a guy behind me. And there's a guy sitting here. But just keep moving. Again, it's a little dark here as we're going through an alley. But look how colorful these buildings are. Like the greens and the blues. I'm getting, ooh, dust. So they are doing construction here. See, you can see that construction. I wonder what was behind that wall. Ooh, dusty. Ooh, it's very dusty. Okay, let me get out of here. It's actually going right through the mask. Looks familiar. I came here before. Wa alaikum assalam. Oh, turn down the ISO. My kitties. Oh my god, I have an obsession with kittens. Hi babies. Y'all are so cute. Hi! Hi, babies! Hi, Shakiri! Hi! There's 4 of them! You guys, look! And they're not scared! Come here! Come here! Oh, they're eating. Are they eating the ants? They're not scared at all. Yeah, I like that. They are completely not scared of humans because they're living amongst they're living inside a very busy souk. So they're probably used to seeing a lot of people. Here is a view of a building that I've seen on a lot of YouTube ads. I think it was for a flower, some kind of flower shop or flower boutique. Oh wait, I want to go to that place. You know what? Another time. Wait, but I'm already here.